Dr. Mudd was convicted because A. He helped Booth assassinate Lincoln, B. He helped Booth get away, C. The military courts wanted someone to pay for Lincoln's death, or D. He lied to the military courts. Let's begin by locating where Dr. Mudd getting convicted is discussed in the text. We find this in the 5th paragraph, which tells us that Dr. Mudd insisted that he knew nothing of the plot, but the military courts, angry at the president's death, sentenced the unfortunate doctor to life imprisonment. Looking through our choices, we see nothing in the text about the court convicting Mudd because he helped Booth assassinate Lincoln, or because he helped Booth get away, or because he lied to the military courts. We do, however, see an idea that the military courts wanted someone to pay for Lincoln's death. As the text says, they were angry at the president's death. Therefore, as our best option, we can mark C, the military courts wanted someone to pay for Lincoln's death, as our final answer.